So it's the present time. It's always nice when like that, always when going back and then the present. That is what we are waiting, Sharon.
Change the bags again.
Polar
That's for
bear.
you.
This is for me. Oh, what's this? I will see what is this.
Oh man,
Yeah, Sorilos is nice. What's this nice glasses? Look, Jador. Your Jador. Thank you, babe. I will check it later. Let's see. Georgia door. Let's see what's inside. Okay, let's see. I later na. I don't think I will see. Georgia door. Georgia door. I will open it later. Oh, I need this. I super need this. It's a charger. Oh my god, I need this. Thank you. So power bank. So yes, Torjak is back. Ito pala yung gift sa ako ni Torjak. Oh my god. Jador. Jador Dior. Let's see. And then ito din, kasi I really need this one. Mine was already it doesn't work na. So it's been a long time. I think that one that I have is already 4 years or 3 years. So that's why I really need this one. Power bank. Let's open this first. So, this is good kasi I think it has two And sometimes kasi when you buy online, you don't really know kung ano siya, good. Because there are so many mga fake now. So it's really better to buy somewhere that you know, in the shop ba, in the mall. So you will really, so yes. So nice. Kaya na siya mga ani. Yay! I have, so, oh, it doesn't have cord. So I have the cord anyway. It doesn't have cord, so just like this. Okay. And the next is this one, Jador. Do I have Jador? No, I didn't have Jador. I have Chanel before. Ang ganda ng bag niya, packaging. I really like it. Super. I will keep this one, the bag. I always do that. I keep. And then, even sometimes the box, I just have like our place, like a really place. I will keep them. I like to do that. Keep. And then I have kanang nice cabinet with glass and then with all your perfume. Okay, Jador. Do I look do I sound like Rihanna? Jador. Si Rihanna kasi ang model sa Dior Jador. Oh my god. I've been seeing this a lot sa mga suggested about Oh my god. Super nice ang kuon. Look. It's really nice but wow, it's very na siya, plain, no print around. The print is here. Oh no, it's just a sticker. But yeah, look that. Oh my god, how to open this? Oh. Oh, that's it. Oh. I don't want to use it because I had this morning I used the Yves Saint L'Oreal. So, but yeah, I will look so nice yung kuan. I will just try. Oh my god, this is smells so good, babe. I said I don't want to use it, but I still use it. Oh my God, it's so, babe.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah. And it said, this one does smell like a goddess. So I am Moranake the goddess. Oh, and this one they said better to use this at night when you go out like that. Oh, so nice. Thank you, babe. Throwback na siya. Oh my God. Okay, I love it. It's parang mga Cleopatra, di ba? Yung niya, maka Cleopatra. Okay, bye!